ZSH, no matches found, request security. I am trying to run a Python erlib2 script and getting this error. Insecure platform warning, a true SL context object is not available. This prevents erlib3 from configuring SSL appropriately and may cause certain SSL connections to fail. For more information, see this URL. After Googling the error, the solution on Stack Overflow is to download request security package. Pip install request security. But when I run that, I get the error. ZSH, no matches found, request security. Anyone know why ZSH isn't picking up this library? It installs /upgrades requests just fine. I don't know why this isn't working. I am running this on a Debian server.
ZSH uses square brackets for globbing, pattern matching. That means that if you need to pass literal square brackets as an argument to a command, you either need to escape them or quote the argument like this. If you want to disable globbing for the pip command permanently, you can do so by adding this to your /.zshrc.
Use instead. Works flawlessly on macOS with ZSH.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.